Shine bright up all night.
Hello, guys, and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing great in your lives. In today's video, I'm going to share a few things which I do to keep my house clean and organized. As an organized and clean home has feel good factor which keeps me motivated to do my chores much more efficiently and with a happy heart and definitely a peaceful mind. We all know that a cleaning and organization makes our home a better place to live in. It increases the productivity and makes our lifestyle much more healthier and happier. Personally, I feel stress relief when I find my things in place and when my home and personal space is organized. I'm sure it must be the same with you. So, I'm going to share the tips which I follow. Hope you find these useful to keep your home organized too. To organize any space, one must have appropriate organizers. It is very important to buy organizers which are apt as per your space and requirement. Keeping in mind what actually you want to organize, it is better to look for options and buy accordingly. I bought these baskets to organize my kitchen cabinet with extra lentils and kitchen pantry items which I have to store for long term use. As organizing makes it easier to identify what I have in my stock and what needs to be refilled on regular basis. It is not possible to do everything in a day or two, hence, plan your day in such a way that you can do little bit every day to organize your home, your kitchen, be it any corner, any cabinet, closet of your house which you are planning to organize. Give 15 minutes at least every day, and you will feel a lot of difference in your house. Buy appropriate organizers depending upon your space or need to be organized, maybe your fridge, your bathroom closet, your bedroom, your kitchen cabinets, and there are multiple options available. Choose as per your choice and need, as organized space looks much more presentable and makes life simpler. It's convenient to find things and saves a lot of time. Never overburden yourself with lots of work, as that is not a sustainable option. Here I am slowly organizing each and every cabinet of my kitchen, and I'm sure soon my kitchen will be completely organized as per my liking and comfort. Also, things will be in much more accessible and easy to find. Once everything is kept in its place, it becomes much more easier to follow the set pattern and take very less time to maintain your organized space.
Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this. Young blood made of gold. I mind you.
I actually think to run your house efficiently, it is important to make your to do list. Set your priorities and then work accordingly. By saying this, I mean to have a structure and a strategy so that you can schedule your work as per your timeline. It is important to have a framework in the same manner as an organization needs to run a successful business. Make a checklist for everything, such as a cleaning checklist, maybe a finance checklist, your weekly grocery or shopping list, your meal planning calendars, habits, hobby list. If you want to run a successful household, prioritize your time, schedule your day, your week, accordingly, and I'm pretty sure you will feel massive improvement in your everyday life.
We gotta party for a life.
Having less stuff means stop yourself from unnecessary buying tendencies. Many a time, we end up buying stuff which we actually don't need. When we go outside for shopping, there are so many things that we see and we like, but we cannot have everything at home. So be very specific in making your decision and question yourself, do you actually need it? And if the answer to this question is yes, then please go ahead with your purchase. Also, by saying this, I don't mean to be a minimalist or earn less stuff. Earn or buy as much as you want. But when you feel it becomes too much or overtaking the space you are living in and it's going out of control to manage all, then it's time to declutter. Less stuff means less mess, less stress, and less time spent cleaning. Hence, always buy stuff keeping in mind the space you live in.
Lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We gotta party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights.
Having a laundry routine is very important. Never pile up the dirty clothes as it can make a lot of mess in the house. I usually separate it into different categories such as laundry for kids, separate laundry for me and my husband, once a week for bed sheets and towels, and finally the doormats. In this way, I'm able to do little bit every day, making it convenient to manage a lot. Also, it helps to maintain cleanliness in my whole house, and closets are organized at all times.
Young blood made of gold. A mind you can't control. Running wild, can't come down. My head is in the clouds. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We gotta party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this.
Multitasking or utilize the idle time while you're working in the kitchen. Many a time it happens with me that while we're chopping my vegetables or cooking, I prefer to talk to my family or friends in India as it is an important part of our daily routine. Regular calls and video calls are the only ways we can connect to our families and friends, hence prefer to do it while I'm already working in the kitchen. Also, I try to utilize my idle time while cooking to do my dishes, clean my kitchen countertop. In a way, it makes me or helps me to make my kitchen always organized. As we all know that a clean and organized space is motivating and at the same time increases work efficiency.
Fall in love, drunk mistakes. We're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close.
This thumb rule, clean as you go, is my all time favorite. It's a cleaning strategy to minimize work from pile up, making it difficult to be finished at one time. Hence, try to keep things back to its place once you're done using, and in my everyday life, it keeps me going. Once the wash cycle is finished, I immediately put back all the dishes back to its place, making the dishwasher ready to be used again. This helps me to keep my kitchen sink clean and empty at all times, and also while cooking, I try to make sure that I put everything back once I'm done using. In this way, there is never a lot on my kitchen countertop to be arranged.
For a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this.
Regular dusting routine can help to maintain a dust-free house, hence much more healthier space to live in. I use microfiber cloth to do dusting as they are soft, easy and very gentle to use. I seriously feel it's a very easy household chore to be tackled, and by spending just a few minutes in your dusting your home every day or every alternate day, not only everything feels and looks cleaner, but you will save yourself from hours of hard work required if long run to remove months of build up dust. Hence, I do suggest dusting on a regular basis as a few minutes can make your house clean. Every morning, once my kids and family is done with brushing and morning rituals before going for a shower, I make it sure that a quick bathroom sink, mirror, countertop is wiped with a disinfectant in order to maintain cleanliness in the bathroom and also avoid bad odor. It barely takes 2 to 3 minutes to do these chores but has a huge impact in maintaining hygiene and decrease surface bacteria. It also helps to prevent illness and infection caused due to carelessness. Hence, it's always as advisable to have a quick morning bathroom cleaning routine, and it also keeps our bathroom clean and presentable at all times.
Slowing down, fall in love, drunk mistakes. We're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party
A place for everything and keep things back to its place. To make an organized space, it's important to have place designated for everything we have. For example, small things like jewelry need to be kept immediately to its designated place as soon as we take it off, or important bills and documents need to be carefully kept at its place before we lose them or misplace it. Take the pain to organize everything or every corner of your house, and then you just have to put things back to its place and your home will be organized. Sometimes we are too much distracted in life, which also has a great impact in our homes. It's important to give time to yourself, your family, and your home. Visualize what actually you want, how you want things to be, and then implement the same. Things will be in control and in a better situation to be handled.
this feeling, keep on breathing, even
This is just a simple tip I really felt like sharing as it works great with me. Whenever you want to do something and you are confused where to start from, then give this tip a try and I'm sure you might find it useful. Start reading about it or watch content related to the same topic. If you want to keep your house clean and organized, then see videos related to the same as it will give you a lot of ideas and at the same time keep you motivated. For example, if you want to lose weight or plan your diet, watch content related to that and you will find a lot of change in your outlook. This works great with me. I'm sure you can try it too. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. Take care.